Introduction to Tazmo Atmospheric Transfer Robot Product Lineup. This time, we would like to introduce the Tt301A series. The specific model of this robot is determined based on factors such as arm configuration and work gripping method. Here's the Tt301A WAATVT SBR, a model from the Tt301A lineup. This product is a cost-effective, high-performance transfer robot developed for EFEM. It is covered by an 18-month warranty due to its highly reliable design. With planned production, short lead times can be accommodated. Additionally, this model complies with the above standards. The main features are as follows. 1. Flipping access to the work is available. 2. Vacuum suction enables stable, high-speed transfer. 3. Optional mapping sensor is available. 4. Slide rail available from 400 millimeters to 2,525 millimeters. 5. Flexible device layout with snake motion. Technology for people's future. Tazmo.